Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cute flowy wrap skirt. Since it is a wrap skirt, it is also baby bump friendly. I used a half circle skirt pattern. Now without further ado, let's dive into the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for a new video every Monday. For this project, you will need about 2 yards of any net, flowy or cotton fabric. I am using remnant fabric from my previous PJ pants project. If you are interested, I will link the video in the description box. Start by measuring around your waist, including the wrap around, and in my case, it came out to be 51 inches. Now let's do some simple math. Divide this waist measurement by 3.14. In my case, this came out to be 16.2 inches. Since mine is a knit fabric, I'm subtracting half inch. So the radius for the half circle skirt in my case is 15.7 and I'm taking 15.5 inches. Fold the fabric such that after folded, the sides of the fabric is equal to the total length of your skirt plus the radius of the waist that you just measured. In my case, this was about 35 inches. Once the fabric is folded as shown, place the tip of the tape the right angle corner of the fabric. Measure and mark the radius of the half circle skirt as shown. I wanted my skirt to be 18 inches long, but the waistband constitutes to be 2 inches. So subtracting that, I get 16 inches and 1 inch for seam allowance, that would be 17 inches. To this, add the radius of the half circle, which is 15.5. In my case, the total length of the skirt from the tip is 32.5 inches. Now measure this in the same way that you measured the radius of the half circle by wiggling the tape around to get the length of the skirt. Once you reach the open side of the folded fabric, taper the circle skirt such that it will lay well when you wrap the skirt around you. Cut the fabric along the marked line. Once cut, you can wrap the skirt around you and check to see if you would like to taper the edges more. Unless specified otherwise, I am going to use zigzag stitch for this entire project. Now let's start with stitching. Start by double folding and hemming the bottom edge of the skirt using a zigzag stitch. Hem the entire bottom edge of the skirt. To cut the required waistband, measure around the waist of the skirt and add 1 inch seam allowance. In my case, this came out to be 52 inches. Now go ahead and cut a long strip that is measuring 52 inches in length and 5 inches in width. Fold this strip in half and this will be used as the waistband for the skirt. Once the bottom is hemmed, place the skirt with the right side facing up and the waistband right side touching the skirt. Begin by double folding the raw edge of the waistband and pinning it in place. Now pin the waistband to the skirt as shown all around the waist of the skirt. While pinning, the raw edge of the waistband and the skirt should be on one side, that is touching each other. It's not for me to say. Once you reach the end of the waistband, double fold the raw edge of the waistband as you did in the beginning. Now let's make strings to tie the wrap skirt. For this, measure a long strip of about 100 inches in length and 3 inches in wide. If you do not have enough fabric to make a 100-inch long strip, cut strips and join them together to make one long strip. Now fold half inch from the top to the center and half inch from the bottom to the center, and fold these two again in the middle and sew along to make the drawstring. This is how you need to fold the strip to make the drawstring. Using a zigzag stitch, secure the drawstring as shown. Once sewn together, this is how it should look. Now I have a very long drawstring. Now fold this drawstring in half and cut it to get two drawstrings. Go ahead and pin one of the drawstrings to the top edge of the waistband. Sew it and repeat the same procedure on the other side. We are almost done. Wrap the skirt around you and mark the point where the inner layer of the skirt touches the outer layer of the skirt. This is where you will sew a buttonhole according to your sewing machine instructions. Once done, this is how it should look. Now tie the skirt, and as you can see, these drawstrings are super long. Now once you tie the skirt, you can trim off the excess drawstrings. Now your really flowy, super stylish wrapped skirt is ready. Wear it and share with everyone that you made it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Hit like, share and subscribe for more such videos.